Windows 10's reached the end of the road. No more updates, no more bug fixes, no more protection. That's why you upgraded to Windows 11. Great decision. You've just future-proofed your business. But now you're thinking, what's changed? Where do I start? Is it going to slow down my team? Here's the good news. Windows 11 is built to make life easier. It's faster, cleaner, and helps your team to get more done with less faff. Snap layouts organize your screen in a click. Focus sessions block distractions so you can stay on task. And if typing's not your thing, try voice to text. Just speak and it types. Security? That's baked in too. Windows 11 works behind the scenes to block viruses, ransomware, and phishing attempts, all without getting in your way. You've made the upgrade. Now, let's make the most of it. Want help optimizing it for your business? Get in touch.